Welcome back. Now, it's possible that you may want to broadcast to individuals that are not tagged within your list. If that's the case, you're going to do the opposite of what we talked about in the previous video. You're going to come within your list, and what you're going to do is you're going to state that within the list, you want to create a segment of everyone who is not in the specific tag, because you want to make sure that the people in the tag are going to be excluded from the broadcast that you're going to be sending. And when that's the case, what you're going to do is you're going to apply. And once you do that, you're going to take all of those individuals and you're going to save them as a new segment. What you're going to do when you send the email is you're going to indicate that you only want to send to the segment that you created, which excludes the individuals from the specific tag. And these are going to be the individuals that will get the broadcast that you are sending. So you can undertake the process in reverse in both Getresponse and in Aweber. In Aweber, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to create a segment of individuals where the tag is not the tag that you created, and you're going to send to that segment. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.